Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix replaced demo game crashing, not launching, not opening, showing black screen, lagging, freezing, or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this is an important step. Don't forget to restart your PC once. After your PC restarts, now check if the game is opening or not. If not, then the next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now here you have to search for device manager. Now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If the issue continues, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to modify launch option. So for that, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. The next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So the game is listed over here. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next solution is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So you have to wait for some time. Once the game files are verified, now try to launch the game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after updating, now try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, you are suggested to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser or you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. After it is downloaded, click on it to open and you will get repair or install option and you have to wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC and again log into the game and then check if you can play the game without any further problem. But if the issue continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game. After that, restart your PC and then again launch Steam and reinstall replaced game once again, and after that click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So using these methods, you can easily resolve replaced demo game crashing, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.